At Ehrlich, Petriello, Gudin Plaza, we have extensive experience handling complex divorce cases. The attorneys at this firm, which has been around for over 50 years, are first and foremost trial attorneys. We have experience in the courtroom. It's where we've all worked for many, many years. And we bring that trial experience with us to our family law practice. If you can't resolve that case, you're going to present your evidence to a judge who's going to decide where you live, where your children live, and how much money you have coming out of a marriage. These are very important issues. So it is real litigation, and you need a real litigator to work with you. In order to obtain a divorce in New Jersey, you need to establish a grounds. And there are several grounds enumerated in the statute, including adultery and mental cruelty and some of the other more traditional grounds that people are familiar with. But a few years ago, the New Jersey legislature amended the divorce statute to include irreconcilable differences. Irreconcilable differences are commonly known as no-fault divorces because it's a very low threshold to establish. Specifically, you have to indicate to the court that you and your spouse are experiencing problems in the relationship. Those problems have lasted for at least 6 months. They're interfering with the marriage, and there is no reasonable prospect that you and your spouse are going to reconcile. Once you establish that, you have established a cause for divorce, and the court will proceed to deal with the other issues of the case, which are typically the distribution of property, establishing spousal and child support, and where there are children, establishing custody rights and visitation. A lot of people think that equitable distribution means a 50-50 division of assets, and that's not actually correct. Equitable means fair, and what is fair depends on the circumstances of a particular case. In your divorce case, if you do not reach a settlement on that issue with your spouse, then the judge will ultimately decide based on the evidence just how that property should be allocated and in what percentages. One of the challenging aspects of handling divorce cases is that you are dealing with people who are going through an extremely traumatic episode in their lives. A lot of times our clients are coming to us and they are in the process of ending marriages which have lasted 10 years, 20 years. This is an important component of their lives that is changing forever, and it creates a lot of emotional distress for them. And while we are not therapists, we do endeavor to represent the whole client. And the way we assist in that is by tending to the legal needs in a very thorough and effective way so that the client doesn't have to be preoccupied with that. They know that we're out there, we're interacting with their spouse's attorney, we're protecting their rights, and we're taking care of them every step of the way. I'm Jeff Plaza. I'm a partner at the firm that handles divorce and family law matters. If you have an issue involving divorce, child custody, or any other family law issue, please feel free to contact me.